Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing earrings. Always remove your earrings over a soft surface, like a towel, to cushion any drops and make finding them easier. Immediately place them in a specific spot, whether it is a small dish or your jewelry box, to create a consistent habit. Before leaving the house, gently check that both earring backs are perfectly secure, preventing accidental slips throughout your day. Proper organization is key to keeping track of your precious accessories. Invest in a jewelry box with individual compartments or velvet-lined drawers, providing a dedicated space for each pair. For daily wear, a small decorative dish or a ring cone by your bedside can safely hold your go-to earrings. A visible system, such as a wall-mounted organizer, ensures you can quickly find what you need without rummaging, saving you time and preventing loss. When you are on the go, a little planning goes a long way to prevent lost earrings. Always use a dedicated travel jewelry case, which features secure compartments or loops for each pair, keeping them organized and protected. Pack a small emergency kit that includes several spare earring backs for different styles, just in case one goes missing while you are out. If you need to remove your earrings temporarily, put them into a small, closed pouch in your bag, never loose. Building simple daily habits can dramatically reduce earring loss. Make it a consistent practice to return your earrings to their specific storage spot every single time you take them off, no matter how tired you might be. Regularly inspect the backs of all your earrings for any looseness or wear, replacing them before they become an issue. It is also smart to keep a small supply of universal replacement earring backs readily available at home, just for those unexpected moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.